Hello everyone, welcome to Mind Your Thoughts. In today's episode, we deep dive into the art of influence, growth, and what are the secret sins of manipulation, and also we explore the strategies for building a solid foundation that proposes sustainable growth. So tell me guys, in what ways can language and framing the impact of effectiveness of motivational message without crossing a manipulation? Let me help you. Basically, it involves influencing others in a deceptive or indirect manner to achieve their personal goals and also often at the expenses of individual. For example, it comes in a ways of anger, expression, disappointment, guilt, and also it indicates gaslighting and love bombing, which are two common forms of emotional manipulation. But mostly people engage in periodic when an acquaintance you feel fine, that is the actual deeper is a technical form of manipulation, but it controls your acquaintance perceptions and also reacts to you. So it works by exploring physiological vulnerabilities and create a sense of dependency or distorting information to control your perceptions. It can be a sensitive and open to chase but depend on their tactics. So to avoid this, cultivate self-awareness, trust your instincts, establish healthy boundaries, and be wary of individuals who consistently undermine your confidence or force you into your decisions against your will. So you don't have to do it all at once, but take one little steps. It makes all the difference. You reach a point in life where you find yourself doing the same thing and getting same results, same old thing over and over again. So your life starts to come to a standstill. There is when taking a step out all the differences. It doesn't have to be a big, it doesn't have to be a significant, it just to be a different. And second thing is the fear of change is not what usually stops you from the growing. It is the desire they actually want to move forward. And be sure, make the effort to do and stop telling yourself no when your heart says yes, and also stop taking yourself out of the things you want. So choose one step little accordingly and let yourself move towards where you want to do. That's all you need.